All right, hi Riley. I thought it'd be easier just to basically to explain it and then instead of trying to type a response. So basically, I think what's going on is you have to have a link to an image so that this HTTP link right here, find an image from the internet and paste the link right there. So for me, I would just go to like Google Images or something and then type soccer or whatever the heck you want. Okay, and then I think let's see, if you do right click, you can copy link address. So that's the link of the image, and I'm going to paste it in there. That's a long link, but that takes me like straight to the soccer ball or whatever it is. So take that link, right, and then paste that into right there where the HTTP part is. So paste your link there and then try that. And as long as it's a good link, it should work, right? And if you can't get one, like this soccer ball link here has some crazy long links, so maybe I should try and find a different one. But I don't know if you can just get to the link and then paste it in there, then it should work, right? So try out a couple different links, and if that still doesn't work, then shoot me an email back. All right, hopefully that helps. Take